Hi, it's David from My Business English, and today we're looking at how to make the mixed conditional and why we might use them. So the mixed conditional is just like this, a mixed drink, a cocktail, where we're mixing the imagined past, an action or state from the past, if plus had plus verb 3, so the first part of the third conditional, normally then with an imagined present result or effect. Second conditional, the second half, would plus could plus infinitive. Let's give you an example. So, if we'd tested the product better, if we had tested the product better. So, first part of the third conditional, if, had, verb 3, then an imagined present. Second part of the second conditional, would or could plus the verb, infinitive. We wouldn't have so many faults now. Together, if we'd tested the product better, we wouldn't have so many faults now. Past leading to present. So, third conditional, imagined past. Here the fact is, they did not test well. But if we had. And the imagined present result, we wouldn't have so many faults now. Fact is, they now have lots of problems. Let's look at another example where we're putting the if clause second. We would be selling more now, that's our imagined present result, if we had changed the design. If plus an imagined past action. Third conditional. So fact is, they're not selling very well now, and in the past, they did not change the design. So, in summary, that's what it is. We have the imagined past action or state, third conditional, leading to the second conditional for an imagined present result. Now, there are some exceptions. There are some other ways of mixing conditionals, but that, I think, is the most common. So, if you enjoyed that, please share and subscribe to the My Business English YouTube channel and check out my grammar songs for learning English. Have a great day.